Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to show you a few cool composition techniques that I use for my Ganpati photos. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today we are gonna go out there and meet Ganpati Bappa and we're gonna click his pictures. And today I'm gonna give you a few tips on how you can compose your Ganpati shots in a better way. And if you wanna download my Ganpati photos for free guys, you can check them out on Unsplash. The link is in the description. And now let the Ganpati photography begin.
Leading lines. It means using lines in an image to guide the viewer's eye around a photograph. They add a new dynamism that gives an image a sense of direction or flow. Pay attention to the lines and shapes in your scene and identify how you can use them as leading lines to your subject. Rule of thirds. To apply the rule of thirds, imagine you're dividing the image you see through your viewfinder into 3 rows and 3 columns or 9 equal parts. The inner intersections of the grid shows the 4 points that a viewer's eye tends to seek out. It is one of the most commonly used composition guidelines in photography. Negative space. As photographers, we choose what to include and exclude in a frame. Positive space is the subject, that is Ganpati Bappa, while negative space is the unoccupied area of the image. It can be plain color or any pattern or background that does not catch the eye. Fill the frame. A lot of compositional aspects are really about leading the focus to the main subject and directing the viewer's attention. By filling the frame, you are able to erase distracting objects at the edges of your frames. Perspective. Sometimes approaching something from a different angle can reveal a subject in a whole new light. If you find yourself getting stuck for inspiration, try placing your camera on the ground and take a few shots. Frame within a frame. This means creating a frame around your subject so it leads the eye towards the main subject inside that frame. You can find so many frames within your scene or create some frames yourself by using mirrors, lens balls and other accessories. Patterns. Because humans are hardwired to identify patterns, there is something both soothing and unsettling about patterns. They make us wonder about the rhythm of our environment, inviting our eyes to dance across the image and then back again. Ganpati Bappa's form can give you innumerable patterns to experiment with. Color. I mostly like to click my Ganpati photos in color, but sometimes I may decide to go black and white to create a more immersive experience. If you are trying to indicate a certain emotion, color would be your best bet. However, if your image looks too busy with too many colors happening at once, you may want to consider converting to black and white. Shadows and highlights. One of the best aspects of Ganpati photography is the presence of well-defined highlights and shadows. These can be used to sculpt the composition by adding depth or even subtracting depth if you wish. Layering. I found that incorporating this element into the foreground adds an extra amount of depth to the image. It doesn't really matter what the foreground element is, but it does change the depth of a picture very heavily.
So the better your composition, the better your Ganpati photos will be. And in case you found this video to be helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon To be notified whenever I post new videos, here is my previous Ganpati vlog where I give you 50 tips for Ganpati photography. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Jai Ganesha.